So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a snowman properly in Bloxburg. And if you don't know what I mean by properly, so when you click snowman though, it only shows or tells you to make one snowball, but I'm going to show you how to make it properly if you didn't know. So you want to click onto your character and go ahead and click make snowman. And run around your place or patch of snow area and click snow until it says place. Alright, now it says place. Now place it wherever you want. I'm gonna place it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna place it right there, guys. And then after you do that, you have to go ahead and click onto your character again and click make snowman again. So you can make 3 balls and then you can go ahead and decorate your snowman. And now you have to go here and you can click E or just press on it. But I'm going to go ahead and click E and place. And there you go, you can place it. And now it doesn't allow you to decorate until you make your 3rd ball. So go ahead and click onto yourself and then click make snowman. And do it and then run around until it says place. Alright, now click E or just press it. And if you're on a touch screen, just use your finger and click on your character and it should work. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead now. Decorate it the way you want the face to be. I want it French-sided, so I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it from this side. And if you are lazy and you don't want to do work in Bloxburg, you can just keep on making snowmans and sell them for $280. So yeah, sometimes it gives even more than working. So this will take a while. It's like a few seconds or like a minute or so. I'm not sure exactly. This will take a while. It shouldn't take too long though. There you go. Oh, okay. So it will actually end up being the other way. But even if you don't like the way it's faced, if you don't like how it's facing like that, you can go ahead and click home and go to build mode. Go ahead and click onto the snowman and click R to rotate. And go ahead and click X. And if you do not, if you're on a touchscreen, I'm not exactly sure what you do. I think you just move it. Yeah, because I haven't really played Bloxburg on a touchscreen, I think. So, on this touchscreen, so yeah. But that's how you make a snowman, guys. And I go ahead and go to build mode, and let me show you how much it sells for. It sells for $280. And I'm not sure if you're allowed to make a snowman twice at the same time. Let me see. Oh, you can. So you can make as many snowmans as you want, unless if there is a limit. I'm not sure about that then. But that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe.